Hi everyone, in this video Top 5 Picks brings the top 5 best smart water sensors in 2021 for you. Through extensive research I've put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether their price, performance and particular use we got you covered. For more information on the products I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the latest prices. Like this video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In 5th place, we have Elexa Consumer Products Incorporated Guardian Leak Prevention Kit, also known as the best automatic shut-off smart water sensor you can find on the market in 2021. For many homeowners, automatic shut-off is one of the key features in a smart water sensor, especially if you're frequently away from home. If that's something you're looking for, the Guardian Leak Prevention Kit is our recommendation. It shuts off your water supply when any leak is detected, but it also monitors temperature and shuts down in extreme cold, preventing frozen pipes. The system can even detect earthquakes, helping prevent water damage in a natural disaster. We also like that installation is simple and doesn't require a visit from a plumber. Simply clamp it onto your main water valve, as long as it has the standard quarter-turn ball valve. In addition to the main sensor, the system also comes with 3 small sensors that can be placed around the house, allowing for additional water detection. They have a range of up to 1,000 feet line of sight, which should be enough for most households. Additional sensors are sold separately. Guardian can work as a standalone system, with apps available for both Android and Apple. It's not the cheapest product, but the price is worth it for the peace of mind it provides. In 4th place, we have LeakSmart Water Leak Detection Sensors, also known as the best ease-of-use smart water sensor you can find on the market in 2021. If your sensor alerts you to leakage and you're not at home, what can you do? With LeakSmart, you can automatically turn off your water valve, from anywhere in the world. LeakSmart's shut-off valve, an additional purchase from the sensor, can stop water damage as soon as it has been found. Although the valve bumps up the cost, it's worth it when compared to the thousands of dollars of flood damage that can happen in minutes. The LeakSmart connects to your water main and shuts off all the flow automatically within 5 seconds of detecting a leak. LeakSmart integrates with smart home hubs, such as Google Nest, and installation is straightforward. If water is detected, you'll hear a loud alarm that should be heard from anywhere in the home. In addition to leaks, it can also measure temperature. It's worth noting that water needs to come into direct contact with the sensor itself, so it'll need to be placed in the right location to activate. However, if you've been dealing with a leaky basement or bathroom, or have experienced flooding previously, you'll love the assurance the LeakSmart brings. In 3rd place, we have the Phyn Plus Smart Water Assistant, also known as the best Splurge smart water sensor you can find on the market in 2021. If only the best will do, you may want to check out the Phyn Plus Smart Water Assistant. Once you get past the high price tag, the Phyn Plus offers some fantastic features. It connects to the home's main water lines and can detect leaks and water pressure levels throughout the home, meaning you only need one sensor to provide coverage across the house. The system also runs plumbing checks daily and alerts you of any abnormalities, which allows you to prevent problems and leaks before they even occur. If something does go wrong, you can automatically switch off the water from anywhere, via the app. The Phyn Plus is not only handy in emergencies, as it also helps with water usage and conservation. Through your app, you can track water use from the showers, washing machine, and kitchen, helping you use less overtime. The Phyn Plus is smart home capable and designed to support Amazon Alexa and also works with voice commands from Google Assistant. We are impressed by its innovative and effective technology, making it an amazing choice for your home. However, it's recommended that you install via a professional plumber, so it's not a simple DIY project. In 2nd place, we have Zircon 68882 Leak Alert, also known as the loudest alarm smart water sensor you can find on the market in 2021. In case of emergency, you want to be able to hear your sensor's alarm loud and clear, from anywhere in the home. If you're concerned about leaks and want to make sure you don't miss the alarm, you'll want the Zircon 68882 Leak Alert. It creates a super loud, battery-powered 105 decibel alarm. Even better, it's one of the more affordable sensors, so you can purchase multiples for different areas of the home. If you're not home at the time of the leak, the Zircon will send an email to notify you, but these can also be configured to show as text alerts. However, it's important to note that this sensor works on Wi-Fi, so if your connection is lost, the email alerts won't send, although the alarm will still sound, which may be heard by a neighbor. It's also a good choice for those who don't have a smart home hub set up, as the sensor works independently. If you do set up multiple sensors, you can customize them with names, making it easy to know which alert is coming from which part of the house. In first place, we have Fibaro flood sensor, also known as the overall best smart water sensor you can find on the market in 2021. If you're already using Apple's HomeKit, then the Fibaro flood sensor may be for you. It's designed to integrate with HomeKit and is even compatible with Siri, so you can use voice commands to check on the status of your sensor or find out the temperature, even if you're not at home. Being part of the Apple family, it can also be accessed via your Apple TV or iPad. We like the design of the Fibaro as well, which is contoured to resemble a water droplet and won't stand out within your home. It's not only stylish, but it also makes it easier for your sensor to detect leaks. The Fibaro is also built tough, as it's waterproof and has the ability to float, an essential feature in the case of flooding. While Apple fans will love the convenience and ease of the Fibaro, it's not the best choice for others, as it's not compatible with Android. It's also worth noting that the leakage alarm isn't as loud as some of the other sensors. This is all for now. You can check the links in the description box down below. All smart water sensors are available on Amazon. You can check the price by clicking on the link. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.